Hey guys, so I'm going to be cooking some tacos tonight, and I thought that I would include you guys in my little cooking session. So I'm going to be making some chicken tacos, but a healthier take on them. I will put the link down to this exact recipe down below, and I'm gonna kind of tweak it more to our liking so you guys can follow along and see exactly what I do. Side note, we are always trying to find, well, I am always trying to find a healthier version to things like tacos and casseroles and things like that, just so that we can indulge and not feel as guilty, especially if we're working out and things like that. So hopefully this healthier version is as promising as it actually looks in the recipe, so stay tuned. So here are the things that I'm going to use for my chicken tacos: ground chicken, taco seasoning, corn tortillas, some peppers, some Mexican cheese for the top. This is my special favorite addition to tacos. We actually ate some tacos when we were in the Cayman Islands, and they were always adding red cabbage to the top. So good, like pickled cabbage. So that's a very good key ingredient for us. Some Greek yogurt, radishes, onion, garlic, paprika, cilantro, tomato sauce, and some oil. So first thing is, on a very large skillet, I'm gonna add some oil and saute my onion and the garlic. Why am I still holding this pan? So I quickly, roughly chopped up my onion and minced the garlic, and I'm going to throw that into the hot pan and cook that for about 2 minutes. And meanwhile, I'm going to slice up my peppers. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of the taco seasoning and then a teaspoon of the paprika, and then the ground chicken, and kind of mix that all together and let it cook for 5 minutes. So the ground chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna add the cup of tomato sauce and then close it with a lid and let it simmer. Just kidding, you guys, I'm not gonna close it with the lid. The recipe actually says to keep it open and have it simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat, and then meanwhile I'm gonna chop up the radishes and then the cilantro and also toss that in at the end. These smell so good together. And just a side note, I used 5 radishes. So now I'm gonna take the corn tortillas and brown each one on this little pan. I like mine pretty crispy, so obviously you can brown it to your own liking. So you can see this is crisping up pretty well. I already flipped it over once. I'm still gonna flip it over one more time just to harden it a little bit more. So I have already turned off the stove. This is no longer cooking down. I'm just gonna mix the radishes and the cilantro together and put it on top of my tortilla. So side note, I'm actually gonna use the feta cheese instead of the Mexican mix, just because that's how we ate it originally in the Cayman Islands, and I loved that flavor. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see if maybe Taras still wants to do the Mexican. We shall see. This is optional to add some Greek yogurt. I usually don't do this kind of stuff, but I'm gonna actually try it. Whoops, well there it goes. Hiya, 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 hiya. Oh crap. See, This is what happens to me when I attempt to improvise. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm just gonna put a little. Don't mind my spotty arms. I know they are spotty. I am peeling like God knows what. But anyways, what kind of cook would I be if I didn't try my own food, right? So here we go, you guys. Here it is in all of its glory. I am so about to look like a fool. It ain't even funny. All right, I'm gonna try to like, it's so crispy. You hear that? It's so crispy. I don't know how I'm gonna actually bite down. So I'm gonna try to like crush it in half. This is bad. I feel it in my bones. Hold on. Okay, here goes nothing. Actually, it's not even that bad. Oh, it looks like a little taco now. This should be my, that picture. What's that picture called? I'm such an amateur vlogger. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay, ready? Oh, husband's coming. Which side should I do? I'll do this side, okay. You know what? Tastes nothing like the Cayman Island one. Like at all. But really good. This beats eating a salad. I'll tell you that much. I need a napkin. So good, even with this, what is this, the Greek yogurt, really good. Here's a fact about me. When I like what I'm eating, I do a happy dance. You guys, bomb. You're welcome. So the boss man is in the kitchen. He's gonna compile his own little taco.
Okay.
I was right. He uses the other chicken. Wow.
Chicken.
Other cheese instead.
This is really good chicken. It's really
it is good chicken.
It's been ground down really well.
Okay.
Okay. What am I still putting in here?
Yes, that cabbage. Do you remember that one from when we went to the Cayman Islands? Yes.
Yep.
So.
Is it the same?
You guys, look at his taco versus mine. That looks like somebody dropped it. I tried to put it back on the plate. So that's that.
Should I have more though? Okay.
Next time I'll put extra on mine. It's actually really good. A dollop of some of the...
What's a dollop?
Dollop's like a spoonful, isn't it? Like a little dollop. You want a cup? Okay, 1 second. Just kidding. The man has left the building. Thank you, Tato. Daddy duty calls. Okay. And then a little bit of cilantro on top.
Leave this on top?
Yeah, I dare you.
Okay. I don't need that cilantro. Why?
Okay.
That's like for just...
I love cilantro. Okay, there you go.
Where's salt? Okay. It's gonna make this really nasty. You gotta mush it together.
What is wrong with you? Why would you do that?
You gotta move it around.
Ew. That looks like, doesn't look like a taco.
Okay.
All right, let me know what you think. Thoughts, questions, concerns. Husband approved? You sure? You're lying.
Alright, good.
Okay, rate it 1 through 10.
Definitely a 6.
Really?
No. It's good. It's like...
Probably
solid
actually.
8.
Okay, good. That's what I think.
Can't give it a 10.
Okay, awesome. Good. Bon appetit. Enjoy. So the kids are not going to eat those tacos. That's just how they roll. So I'm going to make them some cheese quesadillas. That's their jam. I'm going to toast this up a little bit and then just add some mozzarella cheese on top. I don't do much. They don't like, my kids don't like flavor, okay? As bland as possible. So I'm just going to add some cheese to the top.
A chubby teddy bear.
Probably a little bit more than that.
Black and white peas.
Spread that around.
Yellow red hair.
Put the second tortilla on top. And then I'm gonna just kind of squeeze this down just so it stays intact. And then I'm gonna cook that down for a bit. And then I'm also gonna flip it and cook that down for about 5 minutes or so. Just gonna transfer this onto the plate. And then slice it up.
It's hot.
It's hot. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see your reaction. Good? Yeah? Thank goodness.
He always has to think about it.
Yes, the picky boy approves. Hallelujah. It's hot. Okay, let me blow on yours. Okay, youngest is trying. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, hallelujah. We have a successful Mexican night. You're so funny. All right, they want more, so we're gonna make another one. All right, pick up the first tortilla and put it very gently on top of that pan. Good job. We're gonna let that cook for like a second, and then we're gonna add some cheese. So Zion's gonna add some cheese, spread it out. Good job. Let Noah do one handful. Oh, that's gonna be one cheesy quesadilla. Not too much, baby, just a little bit. OMG. Okay, good job. Let's take some of that out. Let's take a lot of that out. Good job. Okay, now you take this one. No, it's Noah's turn. He's gonna put that one. No, don't put your quesadilla in there. Okay, Zion, go ahead. Oh, Noah does. Okay, it's Noah's. Put it down really carefully. Good job. And then we're gonna put the lid on top and we're gonna let that cook for a little bit. So while I was cooking, we actually got a knock on the door. Our couches are in. So these old ones are gonna go down to the basement, and then we're gonna have 2 of these in this room, and I'm actually gonna be documenting the renovation in this room too, so stay tuned, you guys. So excited.